Here are some interesting facts about North Korea. Unique calendar. North Korea uses the Jukki calendar, which is based on the birth year of Kim Il-sung 1912. Military parade. North Korea regularly holds grand military parades to showcase its military strength. Propaganda. The country is known for its extensive use of propaganda to promote the ruling Kim family and the country's ideology. Isolated economy. North Korea's economy is heavily isolated, with limited international trade and reliance on China. Limited access. North Korea is one of the most restricted countries in the world, with limited access for tourists and foreigners. Military service. Military service is mandatory for most North Korean citizens, with some serving for up to 10 years. Unique fashion. North Koreans have a distinct fashion style, often wearing traditional clothing or uniforms. Respected leaders. The Kim family is highly revered in North Korea, with citizens expected to show utmost respect and loyalty. Censorship. The government tightly controls information, with strict censorship on media, internet, and foreign influences. Sports. Sports, especially martial arts and gymnastics, are highly valued in North Korean culture. Pyongyang Metro. The Pyongyang Metro is one of the deepest metro systems in the world, also serving as a bomb shelter. Foreign relations. North Korea's foreign relations are complex, with tensions with countries like the US, South Korea, and Japan. Human rights. Human rights concerns persist in North Korea, with reports of labor camps, torture, and executions. Resilience. Despite challenges, North Koreans show remarkable resilience and adaptability in their daily lives. These facts offer a glimpse into North Korea's unique culture, politics, and way of life.